Make a great choice today with the 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, tires, front, on-off road, tires, rear, on-off road, convertible soft top. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Why buy from Palm Bay Ford? We treat you like family and offer the ultimate service after the sale that you just have to experience for yourself. It's car buying made simple with savings up to $9,000. Or shop online and get our best e-price. Invoice minus all rebates and incentives. Plus, the best used car warranty. If it breaks, we fix it. Period. Come to Palm Bay Ford and experience the difference for yourself at Palm Bay Ford.